So much success in this stadium and field for Liverpool Football Club in the 70s and 80s. It's still regarded as a mecca for many visitors from all around the world.
Yeah, I remember visiting it in 1989. That was a good night. I'm a bit disappointed you haven't mentioned that, Martin.
Number 11, Mohamed Salah. Number 9, Roberto.
This is the Liverpool side. Simon Mignolet starts in goal. Joel Matip starts with Dejan Lovren as the centre-backs. Coutinho starts with Jordan Henderson in midfield. And at the point of attack, just one lone striker. It's a real group mentality in this lineup about pressing the opposition into making mistakes and cashing in on it straight away.
Well, it takes a lot of energy, a lot of motivation. It's easy to drop off, and when you do drop off that really aggressive closing down, that's when it can fall down.
Can't think of Liverpool without thinking of that great, innovative manager, Bill Shankly. Took over a team in the second tier of English football, made Liverpool one of the greatest clubs, if not for Spurs, the greatest club in the world.
Yeah, he got the ball rolling, didn't he, in sensational style, really. He had an aura that not many managers have been able to match since.
Very good forward thinking from Liverpool, always on the front foot. Nathaniel Klein. Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there. Attacking now. Coutinho. Jorginho Wijnaldum. The shot's on! Super goalkeeping. That's a corner now for Liverpool. Put the corner in the middle. Very good distance to the clearance. Now Alberto, and now the shot! It is corner after corner. Delivered by Coutinho. Cleared away by the defender. Could be a chance here. They've got the ball into a good area. Shots on here. Great work from the goalkeeper. Coutinho. Jorginho, Firmino! Well, what a start to the game that would have been for them, Alan. The first goal coming so early, but not quite.
But he's kicking himself. He can't believe he's missed from so close in too. The manager just hoping that that miss is not going to come back to haunt them. They are creating chances, but that was a costly miss.
Dembele. Kane. Came in with a challenge. Dele Alli. And shoots! That's a wonderful save at full stretch. Corner kick, Tottenham Hotspur. Eriksson played it in. It is a corner that's too close to the goalkeeper. He'll catch them all day. A couple of exceptional talents in a really good game that we might be focusing on.
Well, I think both of these players should come into this match with their confidence brimming, really, because they really have played well. They've led from the front.
Nathaniel Klein. Jorginho Wijnaldum gets his foot in there. Victor Wanyama. He's got his tackle in, and the ball's gone out now. Kieran Trippier stopped emphatically, and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. Wijnaldum. Nathaniel Klein. It's looking good, this move. Goal kick now. Well, it's a real moment for Mignolet, this, and well worth reviewing.
That was top class.
It's Mane. Coutinho. He's got his shot off now. Victor Wanyama. Kieran Trippier just cleared downfield, not a proper pass because the pressure is so intense. I don't think there'll be too much in this game between these two, and Liverpool might have to work very hard. He's coming forward with some danger. Here's Ali. Oh, he's cut that out well read. Got to be. Right from the kick-off. They look like scoring, they have now.
Sharp from the off, and what a good goal.
He can't have scored many better than this, with the bend he's imparted onto the ball.
I'll give him credit. You could see exactly what he set out to do there and executed it perfectly. Showing his frustrations, the manager. I'm sure he'd love to be out there playing himself, but he can't, and his team are losing now.
Liverpool are leading now.
Liverpool.
Victor Wanyama.
Wijnaldum.
Well, that pass never looked like reaching its target, and they're away with the ball. On to the attack now. Roberto Firmino. Firmino! One in front. They would be a lot more comfortable if they were two in front, and they really could have been.
Yeah, might they look back on that with a bit of regret, because that was a great chance to extend the lead, wasn't it?
Dembele. Jan Vertonghen. Moussa Dembele. That, for sure, is a goal kick. Toby Alderweireld. That's good movement forward here. No doubt about it, a hand was used. Quick header, found a teammate. Possible. Very brave goalkeeping, coming out like this.
Starting position was right, and he had a lovely turn of pace to narrow down the angle there.
Roberto Firmino, onto Salah. Coutinho obviously thought he'd really got to connect there, and he did, but maybe it just put his aim off.
Yeah, I mean, a bit of contact maybe from the defender, but you would have expected him to score from there.
Now here's a chance to get at the opposition. Kieran Trippier. Coutinho. Roberto Firmino. It's unlike him, really, to play the ball straight to the opposition. Supported there as he can head it on to someone who's waiting to receive it. Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. Dele Alli. Attacking well here. Intercepted well. Well, that looked a decent chance to attack until the player managed to read the pass. And that will be a free kick against Liverpool. And the Liverpool man has got yellow here.
Don't think he left the referee with much choice there.
Rash, Alan, reckless.
Well, it was badly timed. He didn't get the ball, and he knows he's committed a foul there.
Good defensive clearance there. Eriksson on the attack here. And he shoots from long range. Well, nowhere near. He was a long way out.
Yeah, I think that's a waste to try his luck from there.
Nathaniel Klein. Really trying to use the full width of the pitch here to make some progress. Lost his marker there cleverly. Mane. That's a good block. Well, a corner to come because of that deflection. Oh, that's good defending. Nathaniel Klein. Lovren. Well, they're in a good position here. Throw for Tottenham. Kieran Trippier. Trying to switch up. Shots on here. Up for grabs here. Shots on. Oh, he's way off target. Victor Wanyama. That's a poor touch. Spurs get... Coutinho gives away the free kick. Victor Wanyama. Wijnaldum. Trying to stretch the opposition using the wider areas here. Roberto Firmino. He went in well. They've lost the ball in a bad area. Well, this is an opportunity. When you concede a free kick in an area like this, you could be in serious trouble. And the goalkeeper not really tested by that free kick. Christian Eriksen. Roberto Firmino. Could be a chance here. They've got the ball into a good area. Wijnaldum. Roberto Firmino. Moving the opposition around with their play, these two players. Victor Wanyama. A little too eager to get in behind the opposition, caught offside.
Manager won't be too happy with that.
Roberto Firmino. Liverpool. Well, this is certainly going to be within their range now that the free kick has been given. Mane. That will be a corner for Liverpool. Cleared away, well away from goal. I don't think the coach will be too happy with this, trying to play in the defensive third quite as much as he's doing. Moussa Dembele. Advantage rule played for Spurs. When they play their kind of football, Tottenham are a joy to watch. Free kick given by the referee. And the defending team might be in trouble. They might regret conceding this. Yellow here for Lovren. You can see what he was trying to do, Alan, with that slide challenge, but it's definitely a foul.
Well, it is. He saw the ball and he thought he could win it, but just a fraction off.
Good work by the goalkeeper, who saw the free kick coming.
Well, we might get an update on that injury now from our man Jeff Shrews. Jeff.
Yes, he went over on his ankle, but he has carried on, so I think it's unlikely that it'll force him off.
Jeff, thank you. Very good movement from Spurs on the attack. That's offside. And the referees acknowledge that fact. Made the challenge well. The shot's on! That's a good block. We're going to get a corner here because of that deflection. Matip! That's rather skewed off his head in the end.
Yeah, he didn't catch it properly. I think he probably closed his eyes there.
Kane. Son. Kane. Son! Oh, too early, offside.
Just failed to look across the line.
And they've cut it out. And that will end the threat, at least for the moment. It's Salah now. It's Sadio Mane. Mane! And they have scored. And they do lead now by 2. And they've worked very hard for this. It should get them across the line at the end of the match. We'll see. Well, this is the team in form, isn't it? They are excellent, these players today, and they've got their reward here.
Well, you look at all of them, they all fancy getting on the score sheet. They're all drifting forward. Oh, he's loving it, the manager. He's seeing his team playing really well, just what he was asking for.
Restarting at 2-0.
Goal for Liverpool.
Here's Ali.
Number 19, Sadio Mane.
Moussa Dembele. Free kick given. It's yellow for the Tottenham player.
Yeah, I think fair enough. The referee had a good view of it.
Roberto Firmino. It's a good leap, but the header too high.
Yeah, unlucky. Give him another chance. I think he'll tuck that away. Well, he makes that transition happen quickly.
Coutinho. Attacking now. Roberto Firmino. And there it is for Liverpool. For Liverpool, it is looking pretty much now that the victory is assured.
Oh, it's an enviable situation for them. Should be home and hosed.
Well, let's take another look at the goal. And Liverpool putting on a masterclass here.
Goal for Liverpool. Number 9.
Here's Ali. And here are Spurs, stylishly going forward. Son only knows one way to play, and that's to really go for... And the keeper can collect this one. Moussa Dembele. Here's Ali. Dembele. Dele Alli. Wijnaldum. This could lead to a chance. It's good attacking play.
But he took no chances there. It's a corner.
Corner played in. Very good distance to the clearance. Well, he's had a go. Praise for trying the shot, Alan.
Well, his teammates aren't too happy.
Now back to Lloris. Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there. Sadio Mane.
The shot's on!
Oh, fantastic goal!
Well, he's not far out, but you've got to be on your toes in these circumstances, and he was.
Well, scoring in any game is worthy of celebration. When you get two, it is special, and he is feeling that special delight at the moment. Let's have another peek at that goal. I have to say it's so one-sided today, but all credit to the team that are racking up the goals. Moussa Dembele. Getting forward well as a team now. Joel Matip. Directing the traffic at the moment, Moussa Dembele.
Yeah, and can anybody stop him?
I think he saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going and read it. Mohamed Salah. Lovren. Jordan Henderson. Jorginho Wijnaldum. And shoots! Salah. And he's done it!
It's so hard to counter, Martin, that 1-2 touch stuff. The understanding between this team. Well, the opposition couldn't get near.
He's an impetuous goalkeeper, this one, and it's cost him here.
Well, he did go AWOL, but the scorer was Johnny on the spot to make him pay. Good finish. Well, I think this manager was pessimistic coming into this game, and those fears are being realised now. His team trailing by a good margin.
One team really on their game today, the other very off colour.
Number 11,
Jan Vertonghen. Nice interplay between the two of them. Nathaniel Klein. Could be dangerous. Now the shot! Oh, great work by the keeper. And it's back for a corner again. Good defensive clearance there. Lovren. Good strong tackle. Good football between these two. Nice passing.
Oh, they gave it straight to him, didn't they?
Here's Harry Kane. Dembele. Coutinho. Shot on! Magnificent from the goalkeeper.
Well, it's all about positioning and spreading his body. Top-class keeping.
And in it goes. And they get it away. And here's the shot. It's a big call as we look back on it, because there would have been a real chance to get a goal had the flag stayed down.
Yeah, I think that's why maybe he went just a little bit too early. He knew he was through, the lad, but rightly flagged.
It's Salah now. He's coming forward with some danger. Mane. Sadio Mane almost stealthily into scoring position here. Not picked up, and they paid a heavy price for that. Two for him on the day, and two very well taken goals.
The
can see a slightly different viewpoint on it.
I don't think we expected this, such a one-sided affair, but look at the scoreline.
Number 19,
He's cut that out well read. Wijnaldum.
Played forward, a bit of menace in this attack. Wijnaldum! And he scores spectacularly.
Nothing like for a manager seeing a goal like that. Real team effort. Great understanding between those lads down there.
Well, scoring in any game is worthy of celebration. When you get two, it is special. And he is feeling that special delight at the moment.
Let's have another peek at that goal.
You don't often see this, such a one-sided first half. They never really got going, the opposition, and they're surely out of the contest almost before it began.
It's Salah now. Now they've got a chance in this part of the pitch. In towards Mane. Son. Roberto Firmino. Strong challenge. Eriksen. We're going to play an extra 5 minutes of added time.
Mane!
Good reach by the goalkeeper to tip it over the bar. It's tough for the defenders, they keep conceding these corners.
And it's taken. Got to get there first. Got in the way.
Cleared away by the defender. Coming on strong and looking to play their way through now. Son. He's got some strength, hasn't he, to shield the ball like that. Son. Kieran Trippier. Victor Wanyama. Well read by the defender. Moussa Dembele.
Very good forward thinking from Liverpool, always on the front foot.
Made the challenge well.
Harry Kane buying his side some time with his hold-up play here. Clever work at speed by Coutinho. Shots on here. Here's a chance, goalkeeper exposed.
Now by the Liverpool man. Victor Wanyama.
When they play their kind of football, Tottenham are a joy to watch. On the move and able to cut out the pass. Mane. Coutinho. That's a brilliant challenge. The shot's on!
Plenty of power, but not... Well, that's half-time, and who would have expected this? Well, what a player, what a performance. It's Salah now. It's Sadio Mane. Mane! Roberto Firmino. And there it is for Liverpool. Sadio Mane.
Could be it. The shot's on! Oh, fantastic goal! Jorginho Wijnaldum. And shoots! Salah. And he's done it!
He's coming forward with some danger.
Mane. Wijnaldum. And he scored spectacularly.
I guess the coach might have said, well, if they can do that in one half, you can do it in the other half. But it's going to take a lot of character for the losing side to fight back.
Well, nowhere near. He was a long way out.
Yeah, I think that's a waste to try his luck from there.
Well, that's a shame. It's always tough to see a player have to go off through an injury. But the substitute is ready to try and make his mark. Victor Wanyama.
There's a dangerous feel to this attack. It's looking good from their point of view. Backing his own skill as the opposition try to nick the ball from him. Roberto Firmino. Liverpool penalised. Well, decisive refereeing here. He reached for the card straight away at that offence.
Well, you could argue he's been a bit harsh there. Maybe another ref would have just had a word instead of booking him.
Another successful challenge. He wins the ball so well for his team.
Oh, he's cut that out well read.
And here's the shot.
And that is quite a wild effort at goal, although he got good contact on the ball. Now here's a chance.
Jorginho Wijnaldum. He'll need to try and get the ball back now.
Toby Alderweireld.
Harry Kane wanting support now and getting it after he's held the play up well.
There's some potential in this move. Roberto Firmino.
Firmino, who works hard to get the ball, has got it now. And look at him go.
And they pulled play back because it was handball. And once more, he's into the rescue. Can't give it away here, keeps it okay. Jan Vertonghen. Good position, they've worked this attack very well into quite a dangerous position now. Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there. Roberto Firmino. Now the shot! He's way off target. Moussa Dembele. Dembele. Milner. It goes out wide again. Can he do it? Firmino. They've scored. It's his third goal. It's a hat-trick today. He's really been on form. Well, a wonderful achievement to get 3 goals in a team like this, against opposition like this. It's a special day.
Certainly is, for a special player too. A player that is the clinical sort, and he's shown us that today. Well, I know this manager's been working hard on the training ground on a certain shape, and boy, is it getting results out there.
One team really on their game today, the other very off-colour.
Number 9, Roberto
Able to
Firmino.
cut that out with some sharp movement. It's Sadio Mane. It's good play until they got that challenge in. Kane. Now Kane. Roberto Firmino. Sadio Mane. A timely challenge. Well, now they've got the ball, what are they going to do with it? Quick into the tackle. And the result is going to be a throw. He's going to make a change now.
Coming onto the pitch, number 11,
Mohamed Salah. Done well under pressure here to hold the ball as the challenge came in. Wijnaldum. Stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. Toby Alderweireld anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene. Shots on here. He's put it over.
Yeah, nothing wrong with the contact and power, but accuracy just off.
Kieran Trippier. Dembele. Tottenham given the throw. Christian Eriksen. Neatly intercepted. Could be trouble here, he's already had a booking. Mohamed Salah. And it's a straightforward save.
Yeah, that was picking cherries. He saved that 100 times out of 100.
Oh, he's cut that out well read. Nice return pass. It's a real shine to Liverpool's play. And shoots! Whoa, that's flown over the bar.
Oh, the crowd were up on their feet there. It's a spectacular effort.
Dele Alli.
Toby Alderweireld.
I think he saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going and read it.
And that will be Liverpool's throw-in.
James Milner. Mohamed Salah. The shot's on! Oh, nowhere near.
No, he's miscued that one. Miscued it badly.
That's a combination.
Well, that's going to be a free kick.
Substitution for Liverpool.
Oh, a bad day all round. Didn't play well. Picked up a yellow. And now he's being subbed.
To be replaced by number 26, Andrew Robertson.
Any danger to the goal has gone with that clearance. Takes on the shot. He's gone for goal here from a long way out, and he's hit the target.
Oh my word, to get the power, to get the accuracy from that distance out, it's just absolutely amazing.
Superb shot, wonderful result for him. Well, some players might switch off if they've scored a goal, even 2 goals in the game, but he's greedy for more, in the best way, I mean, and he's got a hat-trick.
Yeah, he's been a danger from the start. His work rate, his runs off the ball have been top class.
I don't think we expected this, such a one-sided affair, but look at the scoreline.
Jorginho Ronaldo.
Roberto Firmino.
Now here's a chance to get at the opposition. Easy work for the keeper here.
Moussa Dembele.
Davis. He's picked his pocket there, and he's away with the ball. Mane. Well, that needed a more subtle touch. He's gone for power, and he's nowhere near.
Well, I don't think he kept his head down, actually. Probably thought he'd scored before he'd even hit it.
To be replaced by number 23, Edwin Chan.
Ericsson. Here's a chance to move forward. Oh, he's through. Oh, they thought they were in, but the flag has gone up. He's on the move all the time and makes lots of these interceptions. Maybe just kicked it a little bit there, and pass goes straight to the opposition. Throw for Tottenham.
Toby Alderweireld.
Victor Wanyama. He screened the ball well there. Into the attacking third. Shots on here. Well, they've all gone to the defender to say well done, but I think the guy who had the chance really should have scored.
Well, he had the chance to get his shot away, even though he had to take it quickly. Should have done better.
Victor Wanyama. Ericsson. Here's Harry Kane. Could be a chance here. They've got the ball into a good area, and they've cut it out. Ericsson. It's Sadio Mane. Oh, he's cut that out well read. Jorginho, he's got his shot off now. Great goalkeeping. Corner count rising. Coutinho's corner. And there he is, clearing the danger again. It's a corner again. Well, it was a great stop by Hugo Lloris, and we can show it to you one more time. Oh, the
there's nothing like seeing a top-class save like that.
It's a gentle header, really, and no threat to the goalkeeper.
No, he could have saved that with his eyes closed.
Well, that's a dreadful error. And that will end the threat, at least for the moment.
Wijnaldum.
Punched away by the keeper.
Roberto Firmino. Setting up to shoot and getting encouragement from the crowd to do so.
Safety first from the defender, can't blame him for that.
Well, they've thrown the ball away there, literally to the opposition. Coutinho.
Oh, they gave it straight to him, didn't they?
Roberto Firmino.
Good strong tackle.
On the move and able to cut out the pass. Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there. Now here's a chance to get at the opposition. Well, he's got away from him. Now Sadio Mane. Here's Harry Kane. Dele Alli. Little private game between the two of them. When they play their kind of football, Tottenham are a joy to watch. Dembele. Eriksen. Dele Alli. And here's the shot. Hit it hard, but not very true. It's become more and more important to a team, one or two defensive midfield players, just to help the keeping the opposition at bay. And if you don't concede, you don't lose. But today, he hasn't really done the job that we expected of him.
No, he's not read the game well. He hasn't anticipated the moves as well as he normally does. Positionally, he's been a bit shaky.
Here's Winks. Dele Alli. He's on the move all the time and makes lots of these interceptions. Kieran Trippier. Free kick awarded against Liverpool. That's a free kick awarded here. It's been great for Liverpool, hasn't it, today? And their supporters, look at those smiles.
Well, I think every single supporter that's attended this match will have no regrets at all. One of those days when it's all gone right.
Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. Milner. Oh, he's cut that out well read. It's confident and it's classy, really, but it is a bit of a gamble for the player who's still in possession.
Well, Liverpool have given the lie to the pre-match predictions, even the first half predictions, that they would be pushed all the way here. They pushed the opposition over. Magnificent performance.
Nathaniel Klein. Wijnaldum. Well, now they've won the ball back in the middle of the park by intercepting that pass. Davis. And here are Spurs, stylishly going forward. Well, let's look at it again, Alan. It was very close, and there would have been a scoring opportunity.
Yeah, I mean, it was a good position they fashioned themselves into there, and he did go a fraction of a second early. He was off.
Promising build-up until that challenge. Dele Alli. I think he saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going and read it. Shots on here. Quick reaction time here from the goalkeeper. Coutinho.
Flag went up straight away, referee blew offside. Roberto Firmino. Tackle here. Kieran Trippier. Victor Wanyama. Jan Vertonghen. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here. Dele Alli. Now Kane. Here's Ali. Eric Lamela. Wijnaldum. Christian Eriksen. Here's Ali. He's got it back again from his teammate. There's a dangerous feel to this attack. It's looking good from their point of view. Liverpool with a good lead here, and they've deserved it. It was good play until they got that challenge in. And the referee blows for handball. Roberto Firmino. On to Salah. Liverpool will get the throw. Wijnaldum. Here's Milner. It's Sadio Mane. Christian Eriksen. Quick-witted and quick in his movement. Mane! Whoa, that's flown over the bar.
Oh, the crowd were up on their feet there. It was a spectacular effort.
That's handball. Wanyama. Good defensive clearance there. Headed down to a teammate. Coutinho. That's great defending there, stopping that attack. Just trying to catch the player in possession. That's very good shielding of the ball. Well, they're going to start from the back because it's a back pass to the keeper. Cut out the pass. Roberto Firmino. Excellent piece of defensive play, under some pressure, I must say. Here's Winks. He's on the move all the time and makes lots of these interceptions. On to the attack now. They'll need to try and get the ball back now. It's Harry Winks. Dele Alli. Stopping the pass getting through with a good piece of anticipation. Salah! Oh, charged down. Sadio Mane. And yet another corner. Oh, that's good defending. Jorginho Wijnaldum. He screened the ball well there. Here's Winks. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass.
Number 5, Jorginho Wijnaldum.
Victor Wanyama. Kane. Here's Winks. Saw it coming, cut it out, good work. Here's a chance to attack. And now the shot! It's a fine stop, a full stretch from the keeper to turn that aside. It's tough for the defenders, they keep conceding these corners. Swung in from the corner. And he gets the head to it, but can only knock it out of play. Nathaniel Klein. Milner. And here's the shot. Super goal. Yes, it's a goal from the substitute. And he's quickly made his mark on proceedings here. There's another one for them.
Well, it's certainly going to help the goal difference. It might be important at the end of the season.
Different angle on it here. Well, the game petering out a little bit now, with both sides settling for what's on the scoreline. Vast difference between the two teams. He's very... Mane! That's a great interception. Roberto Firmino. That's great defending there, stopping that attack.
There will be a minimum.
The referee has communicated to the fourth official there'll be 5 added minutes. When they play their kind of football, Tottenham are a joy to watch. Stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. Roberto Firmino tried to tackle here, and he's done that. Toby Alderweireld. Eriksson. Kane. Joel Matip. He still appears not to have shaken off that knock. Roberto Firmino. It's looking good, this move. Shots on here. And that shot's blocked very quickly. It's Mane. On the move and able to cut out the pass. Roberto Firmino. And the referee looks to his assistant, who's got the flag up. It's offside. Under some pressure, he shielded it well. And he shoots from long range. Praise for trying the shot, Alan.
Well, his teammates aren't too happy.
It's Ben Davis. That's a wonderful tackle. Well, that's all they can do at the moment, concede the corners. Put the corner in the middle. Miscued, really, with the header.
Yeah, not known for his heading, and you can see why there with that effort.
And shoots! Well, that needed a more subtle touch. He's gone for power, and he's nowhere near.
Well, I don't think he kept his head down, actually. Probably thought he'd scored before he'd even hit it. Well, he was in the right place at the right time to cut it out.
Neatly intercepted. Roberto Firmino. That's top tackling. And he's really strong in that area. Nathaniel Klein. Mane. No, it's offside. That's a combination of skill and will to hold off the opposition. That's the end of the game. What a brilliant performance from this fella.
Well, he goes across and grabs the match ball from the ref, a hat-trick, and that's to be treasured by any player.
Well, look at that scoreline, and it emphasises what we've seen in the shape of the game as well. Very one-sided.
Well, from the first whistle, they were on top, and it never altered for the entire 90 minutes. Wonderful stuff.
Jorginho Wijnaldum, and shoots! Salah, and he's done it! He's coming forward with some danger. Mane. Wijnaldum, and he scores spectacularly. It goes out wide again. Can he do it? Firmino. Any danger to the goal has gone with that clearance. Takes on the shot. Milner. And here's the shot.